So this is a pretty common furnace. I think we all have about the same setup. We're in a carriage home on Airedale. I'm not sure which model it is, but you can see what I'm pointing at now is a feed that's going all the way up to my second floor, the top floor of the house. You can see the damper there. I've got it marked for a closed, winter, and summer open. You can see that it's currently in the winter position. And then I've got, as you come back, you see the entire furnace here, the actual unit. And you'll see conduit that runs horizontally. And again, same markings. Because the damper's in a little different position, the lever has to be in a slightly different position, but you can see it there. It's pretty obvious from your room. So that runs to the first floor of my house. It also heats the basement. All my vents in the house are open, so there's no damming of any air. Hopefully this helps.